Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Burns, and today I will be teaching you how to create a Prezi. There are a number of things we can do with Prezi, and as the video continues, I will explain more about the software and how to utilize it. Hi, today I will be showing you how to use a Prezi and some of the great things that we can do with Prezi. A Prezi is a presentation software that allows us to spruce up our different presentations on different ideas and topics. You can use it when you're teaching lessons to your students, or you can use it for professional development uses. You can use a Prezi to present any type of presentation and to make it just a little bit more exciting. There are several uses for Prezi. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use Prezis in the classroom. You can use Prezis when you're doing professional developments. You can use Prezis when you're even giving presentations or to teach skills like I'm going to do today. Today's Prezi is going to be on an addition skill because right now I'm currently teaching my kids on how to add. So this Prezi is going to be about addition. The first thing you want to do when you're creating a Prezi is go to Prezi.com and to create your account. When you create your account, it's going to take you to these different options of which format of Prezi you want to use. Right now, I would suggest you start off with the free public version to get your feet wet with the program and how to utilize it. Our next step would be to log into your account. Once you log in, it's going to tell you about Prezi, a starting video, and how to create Prezis. The next thing you would do is to go to Prezi website. It's going to take you through the different templates as well as some of the most used templates or popular templates that they utilize on Prezi. You can go through, you can search for some different templates. I'm going to choose one of the most popular ones, which is to explain a topic, and I'm going to click it and press use template. The first thing I like to do is I like to see the pathway of my Prezi. So here are your slides or your presentation slides. It's going to jump the path the presentation is going to go. So this is just my first page of telling me how the overall layout of the Prezi is going to be. Next, it jumps to each slide. It tells you which paths your Prezi are going to take. As you scroll, you have the option to change that. To change your pathway, you need to go to edit pathway and you get to click where you will want something. So let's say, for instance, I don't like how it transitions from slide 2 to slide 3. I can move my slide 3 to where slide 9 is and where slide 9 is to slide 3 path. Once you edit the path, you can't view it. Also, if there are not enough slides for your path, you can always add a new one. You go down here to the camera which says add current view, and you're just adding a new slide, and you can move where you want that to jump as you're editing the path. So now that I've shown you how to add and change the pathway of the slides, I'm going to show you how to delete the extra slides that you do not need so that we can start making our Prezi. It's very easy to delete the slides. All you need to do is hover over it until you see your circle or your frame light up. Once you see that happens, you click on it and you click the delete box. You can also delete the pathways, like the arrows that transition to those slides as well. I'm going to delete a couple of my frames because this is an introductory Prezi and it's going to be very simple. How to use Prezi. So as you can see, they've been deleted, and this is my Prezi now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my text. You can just click the box and type. So my topic is addition. So I'm adding my topic. But before we begin, you can add text anywhere that there isn't a text box. You just click on the part of the frame that you want to create text, and the text box is going to appear. So addition, I'm going to put by my name, Chelsea Burns. And I'm going to move it. And now that I have that done, I'm going to insert my pictures. To insert pictures, you go to the Insert tab and you're going to click on Images. You can have images that you already created in a folder. I have all my images in my Prezi folder. So I'm going to click on the poster I want to add and press Open. It's going to come up, and just like that, you can crop, you can move, you can add effects to the images. You can also delete any text boxes that may be in your way. So I'm going to crop my picture, make it bigger. You can edit it just like you do any other presentation. And this is in my beginning slide to my Prezi on Edition. Now that I have my beginning slide, I'm going to transition to slide 2. Now that I'm finished with my introductory frame, I'm going to go to the side and I'm going to click on frame 2. It automatically shows the pathway through the jump and is ready for me to edit this slide. Again, you can click anywhere. You don't have to just click on the click to add text boxes. You can click anywhere throughout the frame to add text to your Prezi. So I'm going to use the one that they already given to me, and I'm going to add my addition, my definition for addition. Addition is joining two groups of numbers to make or find out the total or sum. And I'm going to move this one out of my way because I no longer need it. And that's what addition is. You can insert pictures again to show that. You can look for your pictures online, but I have all of my pictures for addition included in my folder. It is easier for you to have a folder of what you want so that you can have all your pictures in one place to insert them into your Prezi. And I'm finished with this slide. I'm going to go down to my next frame. So here I'm going to include a video on addition for my kids. So again, you can type what you need in your text boxes. You can also change the formatting of the fonts. You can make it a title, a subtitle, or you can make it bigger or smaller by using my font buttons. And you can also change the color of the text. It depends on what you want. You can spruce up your Prezis at any time. You can also change the fonts, bold, italicize, whatever you need. So again, I'm going to go to my insert button, insert my video, which I have in my Prezi folder. Now that my video has been uploaded, I'm going to resize it to fit in my frame. Now that I have my video ready, depending on the size, the video or how I want it, I can resize my frame. On the size of my video, I can resize my frame. So to resize my frame, all I need to do is hover over it and click it. I can make it bigger or smaller depending on how I want my video. I can also move it over as well as my video to make it fit better. I resize my frame because I want my video to get pretty big in there. And I'm also going to move my title over, my topic over, as well as my arrow. Make that a little bit bigger as well. So there you have it. I have created my Prezi. Now that I'm finished with it, we're going to present it. To present the Prezi, you go back to your home screen and you press the present button. It's going to show you the layout of your Prezi as you're getting ready to present it to your audience. You can click the arrow and it takes you to each slide. This is my addition presentation for my students. This is the definition of addition. It's joining two groups of numbers to make or find the total or sum of the group. And then you have my addition video, which I'm going to play for you. Not all of it, but I'm going to play some of it for you.
This episode of the Kids Block was developed to inspire basic math skills for preschool children.
And you stop it, and then that's the end of your Prezi. And to finish, you press the escape key on your button and you save it and exit it, and that's how you create a Prezi. I hope that now that you have gotten a tutorial on Prezi, that you will be more apt to use Prezis to present your presentations to your students in the work field, anywhere that you have a presentation that could make the presentation more exciting for your audience. Thank you.